Welcome. So this is the very first public live streamed game of the Epic Party Game. I'll be your host, Robbie Nichols. I made this game just because I think live media needs to be more interactive. So tonight we're going to test that out just a little bit. This game is for all kinds of tech folks. So we're going to talk about Django, which is a very nice Python web framework. I started using Django teaching at university, mostly because of the documentation and the tutorials. They were so good. Django also has a wonderful community, so I thought that playing this game as part of the community would just be a way to give something back to that community. Since this stream is for computer science students and the Django community, we're going to start things off just by sharing the system architecture. I want you to have at least some idea of where your bits are going whenever you push all of the buttons. One note before I jump into architecture. If you want to play the game, you need either a Google account, a Discord account, or a Twitch account. So if you've got one of those logged into your phone, perfect. All right, so let's look at the sorry, there you go. There are my notes. Let's look at the system architecture we've got here. So we've got you. This is you. And you are going to be connecting to Cloudflare. So I've also got this server set up. Yeah, that says server. On the server, we've got two virtual machines. This is a Docker Swarm. Docker Swarm cluster. So the Cloudflare tunnel is one of the containers in the swarm. So you're going to connect to Cloudflare, and you're going to connect back to this tunnel. We also have our Postgres database. We've got Jaeger, which is tracing. So as your bits flow through all of this system, I can look and see like some of the transactions that maybe took a little longer than they should. We've also got Redis, which is Django pretty standard for caching. We also have Gunicorn. And we've got Gunicorn running on both of those virtual machines, and then UVicorn, which there are 8 of these containers running, 4 on each of those virtual machines. So whenever you are just hitting the web page, if you're logging in, if you're looking at an event, whatever you're doing on the web page itself, you're very likely coming through, you're definitely coming through Cloudflare, coming through the tunnel, and you're going to hit one of these two virtual machines running Gunicorn, or one of these two containers running Gunicorn. All of the web service traffic, however, it's going to come over here and hit one of these containers. So depending on what we're doing, your traffic's going to hit Gunicorn, UVicorn. So that's, in a nutshell, the general architecture of this system. We've got all of the Gunicorn and UVicorn containers. They're going to be hitting Postgres. They're going to be hitting Redis. Postgres for all of the database work. Redis for anything that's been cached. We're also using Django channels, which uses Redis as as a messaging backend as well. And so I think that's enough architecture. After we play the game, I will hang around chat so you can ask some questions about this if you'd like to. So we are gonna jump into playing our game. To play the game, you need to scan that QR code. Now, if you scan that QR code, you should get an invitation to play, an invitation to log in. This is the time when either this whole thing is going to work or not, because I need at least 3 players to play this game. Ooh, and I've got 0 right now. I wonder if we've got a technical difficulty somewhere. Boo. Give me a little bit. I'm going to log into YouTube and see what chat says. So maybe there are players, and maybe I have a bug in there. That would be a very sad bug to me. Well, I'm gonna try to play the game, and if there are at least 3 of you, I think we can play. Right now, I see we have 2 concurrent viewers, which means that's not enough. I'm going to push a button and see if we can move on. Oh, that's what I thought. Alright, my friends. This is what happened last time I tried to go live with this. I only had 1 player, which means we can't really play this game. Very sad. So I need some kind of a strategy to figure out how to get more people to play. So the rest of everything that I have planned right now is kind of well shot. So I will try this again at some point. So I guess we have to cancel the game for today. I will hang around and chat a little bit though. I really enjoy Django. I really enjoy programming all of this stuff. Um, oh, I guess. Oh, so sorry, I didn't get enough players. Um, I will try this again. I'm going to make absolutely sure that I have enough people signed up to actually play the game before we reschedule this thing. So, thanks for joining me, and we will try again.